In the frozen birchlands, a creature causes terrible fear. The White Swan, TU-160. From the vast lands of Russia, a supersonic giant begins its story. The TU-160, the fastest and heaviest strategic bomber ever built. Born from the Cold War, designed to answer America's stealth ambitions. Engineers envisioned a bomber that could outfly any rival in the skies. This is Story of Fleet. A fierce race for air dominance ignited between East and West. Soviet leaders watched America's new bomber with growing concern. Step by step, the Soviet Union forged a plan to match the West. Engineers began sketching a machine beyond existing aerodynamic limits. Thus, the TU-160 was born, a Soviet answer to supersonic supremacy.
Now, let's take a closer look at the legendary White Swan, Mentoran, the TU-160.
Measuring over 50 meters long, the TU-160 dominates the skies in sheer size. 4 NK-32 engines unleash immense thrust, driving this titan through supersonic air.
Reaching Mach 2.05, it easily outpaces its Western rival, the B-1B Lancer.
With a 12,000-kilometer range, it carries 4 to 5 tons of deadly payload.
It stands unmatched, the largest supersonic bomber ever created by mankind. Two giants from opposite worlds, each built to rule the supersonic skies. In speed, payload, and altitude, the Blackjack leaves its rivals far behind. Despite similar timelines, the Soviet bomber achieved more power with lower cost. When it comes to speed and reach, no Western bomber could compete. Over the frozen Arctic skies, the Blackjack reigns in silent supremacy. Every legend begins as a sketch, then transforms into precise digital blueprints. Its variable sweep wings allow unmatched control across all flight speeds. Engineers perfected its aerodynamics through countless wind tunnel experiments. Inside, a crew of 4 controls this massive machine with analog precision. Precision begins on paper. Every line defines the heart of a legend.
Patents of the legendary White Swan, the TU-160.
Molten metal shaped by Soviet hands. Discipline meets pure power. As it cooled, strength was sealed into every titanium grain. Precision machines sculpted each surface to perfection. Laser precision shaped the titanium skeleton of the Blackjack. Each spark fused titanium into one seamless body. Titanium strength, engineered for endurance, born of Soviet steel. Its swing wings move like muscles, precision built to adapt. Every component, every weld, crafted for absolute perfection. Each laser-guided cut shapes the strength of this supersonic masterpiece in steel precision.
Perfection is pursued, where every fraction of a millimeter decides aerodynamic excellence.
Through its titanium bones, technology and endurance intertwine to forge unstoppable power. Where precision meets fire, every welded spark fuels the birth of a flying fortress. Forged in precision, tested by fire, the TU-160 rises ready to conquer skies. Piece by piece, the Blackjack's colossal form begins to take its true shape.
Alignment is within tolerance.
Noted. We are clear for final seating.
Hydraulic arms align the adaptive wings, locking precision with raw mechanical power.
At last, the colossal Blackjack stands whole, an icon of scale and Soviet engineering. The Blackjack stands gleaming, a masterpiece ready to rewrite the rules of flight.
Next, we witness the TU-160 undergo rigorous testing, where power, precision, and reliability are proven.
Sensors track every heartbeat, ensuring perfection through data and relentless precision. The giant rolls to the runway, every motion echoing decades of engineering pursuit. Success at last, the Blackjack takes flight, a legend reborn from Soviet skies. Each wing is bent beyond limits to prove strength that defies the forces of flight.
What's causing the fluctuation right here?
Checking the calibration logs. The anomaly is localized to the starboard side.
Check the engine temperature on screen 4. It's spiking.
Rerouting coolant systems now. We are holding steady at T-5.
The first White Swan emerges, gleaming in glory, ready to join the Russian fleet.
At dawn, the White Swan rises from Engels Air Base, majestic and unstoppable.
Four giants soar in unison, their formation a symbol of precision and national pride. Mid-air refueling, where precision meets nerves of steel, extending range beyond borders. The Blackjack carries precision at long range, its strike capability unmatched. From the Arctic skies to distant oceans, the Blackjack watches over half the world. The TU-160M brings the legend into the digital age, where precision meets intelligence. With the NK-3202, every drop of fuel turns into longer range and greater endurance. The White Swan now flies with its digital wingman Ganyas, unity of power and autonomy. Inside its bays, a new generation of precision weapons waits. Harur, silent but unstoppable. From its Soviet roots to tomorrow's skies, the legend still flies, unbroken and eternal.
Which military vehicle's production process would you like to follow? Leave your comments below the video. Where imagination meets science. Welcome to the Brain Imagination Lab.